You're watching DIYNate. If this is your first time here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted to my weekly content. Ooh, today on DIYNate, reviewing an Amazon product here, and we've got some large pans that we ordered, and I'm going to tear this open, and it's a 2-pack, and I'm going to give you an idea of what this looks like. Looks pretty sturdy, and the big thing for us was making sure it's going to fit in the oven. My wife has been complaining about the pan size she has that don't do, she likes to cook bacon in the oven and some other things, and so she wanted something much bigger than what she currently has. Some of the pans today we have don't quite make it, so it's like a very nice stainless steel, good kind of weight to it. You can kind of see it's not wobbly or anything, so pretty strong there. That should work nicely. We'll take this over as well into our oven so you can see what this is going to look like on that front. And here's our oven. Pull it down. Fits nicely in. Just fits in going the wide ways. And then certainly if we take it and go the long way with it as well, it's going to fit. Just barely fits in the long way, so I know I got the kind of maximum size that she would want without going too far. So feel really good about these pans. I think she's gonna like them quite a bit. I'll surprise her with these a little later today. And this has been a DIYNate product review. Enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. I'll have a link in my description on how you can buy these stainless steel 20 by 14 by 1 inch baking pans. They're sold by a company called Wild One through Amazon.com. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.